യോഗ പരിചയം. തൈല ഫോർമുലേഷൻസ്. സഹചരാദി തൈല സമൂലശാഖസ്യ സഹചരസ്യ തുലാം സമേതാം ദശമൂലദശ്ച ഫലാനി പഞ്ചാശതഭിരുതശ്ച അഭിരുതശ്ച പാദാവശേഷം വിപചേത് വഹേ അപാം തത്ര സേവ്യ നഖ കുഷ്ട ഹിമേ ഏല സ്പൃ പ്രിയങ്ക അനിലഖ അംബ ശിലാജൈഹി ലോഹിത നളത ലോഹ സുരാദ്വൈഹി കോപനാമി മിഷി തുരുഷ്കന നദൈശ്ച കോപ കോപനാം മിഷി തുരുഷ്ക നദൈശ്ച തുല്യക്ഷീരം പാരികൈഹി തൈലപാത്രം സിദ്ധം. So the reference is Ashtanga Hridaya, chapter 21, Vata Vyadi Chikitsa. So, for Kashaya, we take 1 tula of Sahajara along with its roots and branches. Equal quantity of Dashamula, Abhiru or Shatavari, 15 pala, are boiled in 1 vaha, that is 4 drona of water decoction. And this is reduced to 1/4 the quantity. To this are added the paste of 1 pala each of, that is a kalka, sevya, nagha, kushta, hima, ela, sprik, priyanku, nalika, ambu, shaileya, lohita, nalada, loha, surahua, choraka, mishi, turushka, nada. And 1 patra or adaga of oil and equal quantity of milk, all are added and medicated oil is cooked. Now what are the indications? Krichran Shilidam Handi Vadan, Kamba Aksheba Stamba, Shoshadi Yuktan, Gulma Unmado, Pinasa Yoni Roga. So consumed internally daily, this oil cures Vada disease, Kamba or tremor, Akshebaka or convulsions, Stamba stiffness of thigh, Shosha emaciation, Unmada or insanity, Pinasa or rhinitis, and Yoni Roga or disease of vagina. Bala Taila, Balashadam, Chinna Ruhapadam, Rasna, Ashtabhagikam, Jaladaga Shadhe, Paktva, Shadabhagastite Resi. Bala is taken 100 pala. Chinna Ruhar Gudoji, quarter of that quantity, that is 25 pala. Rasna 1/8, that is 12.5 pala. They are boiled in 100 adaga of water. The decoction is reduced to 100 pala, and the reference is Ashtanga Hridaya, chapter 21, Chikitsa Sthana, Vada Vyadi Chikitsa. Dadi Mastu Ikshurasa, Nikshu Niryasa, Shukta, Taila, Adagam Samaihi. Pachet sa Achapayo Ardhamsham, Kalkairebihi, Palonmide. To this are added equal quantity of Dadimastu, Ikshurasa, Shukta, Taila, each 1 adaga, and half part, that is half adaga of God's milk, Acha Kshira. Shadi Sarala Dharve, Manchishta, Ela Manchishta, Agaru Chandanaihi, Patmaga Adibhala, Mustashu, Shubha Parne, Harenu Bihi, Yeshtyahua, Surasa, Vyakra, Naga Rishabhaga, Jivagaihi, Palasha Rasaga, Rasa, Kasturi, Naliga, Jadi, Koshagaihi, Sprik, Kunguma, Shaileya, Jadi, Kadu, Fala, Ambubihi, Twak, Kundaruka, Karpura, Turushka, Srinivasagaihi, Lavanga, Nagha, Kangola, Kushtamamsi, Priyangubihi, Stauneya Takharadhyaya, Dhyama, Vaja, Madana, Kalpavaihi, Sanaga Kesaraihi Siddhi, Ditya, Yatra, Chyatra, Atra, Avadharide. Patra Kalkam Tadaha Bodham Vidina Tat Prayojidam. So paste of 1 pala each of Shadi, that is Punarnava, Sarala, Dharvi, Ela, Manjishta, Agharu, Chandana, Patmaga, Adibala, Musta, Surpa Parni, Harenu, Yeshtiahua, Surasa, Vyakranaka, Rishabhaga, Jivaga, Palasha, Rasa, Kasturi, Nalika, Jadi, Koshaka, Sprika, Kunguma, Shaileya, Jadi, Kadufala, Ambutwak, കുന്തുരുക കർപ്പൂര തുരുഷ്ക ശ്രീനിവാസക ലവംഗ നഗ കങ്കോല കുഷ്ടമാംസി പ്രിയങ്കു സ്തൗണേയ തകരദ്യാമ വജ മഥനക പ്ലവ ആൻഡ് നാഗ കേസര and medicated oil is prepared by adding all this kalka. Also, after it cools, paste of patra is added and this oil is known as bala taila. കാസം ശ്വാസം ജ്വരം ഛർദി മൂർച്ച ഗുൽമക്ഷതക്ഷയാൻ പ്ലീഹശോഷ അപസ്മാര അലക്ഷ്മി ച പ്രണാശയേത്. ബലാതൈലമിതം ശ്രേഷ്ഠം വാദവ്യാധി വിനാശനം. So administered both internally and externally cures kasam or cough, shwasam or dyspnea, jwara or fever, chardi or vomiting, moorcha or fainting, abdominal tumor or gulma, kshadakshaya, tear of lungs, consumption, Pleha, disease of spleen, emaciation, shosham, abasmara, epilepsy, alakshmi, disease caused by sorcery, and is best to cure disease of Vada origin. Bala tailamidam sreshtam, Vada vyadi vinashanam. Now next is Kshira Bala Tailam. Bala Moolat, Panchapalam Kshira Pishtam cha yojayet, Kshire Chadurgune Taila Prastam, Mrit Agnina Pachet, Pane vaste tadha abhyange nasya karmani shasyade edat kshira bhala tailam vadashidi vinashinam. So, in Sahasra Yogam, Bala Moolat Panchapalam, 5 pala of Bala Moola is taken as Kalka Dravya, Kshira Pishtam, and the Bala Moola taken is pounded with milk and made into paste. Kshire Chadurgune, 4 parts of Kshira is taken as the Drava Dravya. Taila Prastam, 1 prast of Taila as Sneha Dravya, and Mrudu Vagnina, heated in mild flame. Pane vaste tadha abhyange nasya karmani shasyade. So this is used in Panchakarma procedures such as Snehapana, Abhyanga, Nasya, Karma. Eda Kshira Bala Tailam Vada Ashidi Vinashanam. So this pacified almost all Vada disorders. Sahasra Bhaga Bala Tailam is the Kshira Bala 101. Bala Kashaya Kalkabhyam Tailam Kshira Samam Pachet. Sahasra Shadhapakam Rasayanam Mukhyatamam Indriyanam Prasadanam Jeevanam Brahmanam Swaryam Shukra Asrik Dosha Nashanam Tadvada Asrik Vada Roganut. Decoction and paste of Bala, Taila, and equal quantity of milk are cooked 1,000 times or 100 times, and the medicated oil is prepared. What are the indication? Tad Vada Asrak Vada Roganut cures gout and disease of Vada origin. Indriya Prasadanam bestows comfort to sense organ. Jeevanam enlivens. Brahmanam stoutens the body. Swaryam good for swara or voice. Shukra Asrak Dosha Nashanam dispel the disorder of semen and blood. Next, Pinda Taila. Sa madhujishta manchishtam pinda tailam sa sarjarasa sharivam tad ambhyangad vada rekta rujabaham. So this is mentioned in Ashtahridaya Chikitsa Sthana chapter 22 Vada rekta chikitsa. And what are the ingredients here? Simple: madhujishta, manjishta, sarjarasa and shariva. What about the indication? Abhyanga and vada rekta. Madhuyeshtyadi taila, madhuyeshtyaha, palashadam kashaye, pada sheshide, tailadagam samakshiram, pachit kalkaihi palonmidaihi, stira tamalagi, durva payasya abhiru chandanaihi, loha hamsapadhi mamsi dvimetha, madhuparnibihi, kagoli, kshira kagoli, shatapushpa, dadi patmagaihi. Riddhi Patmagaihi, Jeevaga Rishaba, Jeevanti, त्वपत्र नग वालुकैः प्रपौण्डरीक मञ्चिष्ट शारिव इन्द्रीव वितुन्नकैः ऐन्द्री वितुन्नकैः चतुष्प्रयोगं वाद असृ पित्तदाह ज्वर आर्ति नुत्. So this is in Ashtahridaya Chikitsa Sthana chapter 22 Vadarakta Chikitsa. Madhuyishtya Palashatam Kashaye Adasheshide. So 100 pala of Madhuyishti is boiled in 1 pona of water and the decoction is reduced to 1 for the quantity. Karkasar Stira Tamalaki Durva Payasya Abhiru Chandana Loha Hamsapadi Mamsi Dvimetha Madhuparni Kagoli Kshira Kagoli Shadapushpa Riddhi Patmaga Jivaga Rishapa Jivandi Twakpatra Nagha Valaka Prapoundarika Manchishta Shariva Aindri Vitunnaka each 1 pala and 1 adaga of taila plus 1 adaga of milk. Chadushprayogam vada asrak pitta daha jwara artinut. So this oil is used in 4 ways, that is nasya, pana, niruha vasti and anuvasana vasti in vada rakta, pitta, daha and jwara. Next, Pippalyadi Taila, Ashtahridayam, chapter 8, Arsha Chikitsa. Pippali Madhanam Bilvam, Shatahua Madhukam Vacham, Kushtam Shadim Pushkarakyam, Chitragam Devadharucha. Pishtva Tailam Vibhaktavyam, Dviguna Samyudam. Pippali, Madhana, Bilva, Shadahua, Madhuka Vacha Kushta Shadi, Pushkarakyam, Chitraga, Devadharu, plus 2 parts of milk. Arshasa Mudavadhanam, Tasreshtamanu Guda Nisaranam Shulam, Mutrakrichram Pravahikam, Kadi, Uru, Prishta, Daurbalyamanaham, Vankshana Asrayam, Pichasravam, Gude, Shobam, Vada Varcho Vinigriham, Uttanam Bahusho Yacha, Jaye Tacha Anuvasana. So it is indications are Arshas, Modovadam, Guda Nisaranam, prolapse. Shulam, pain of abdomen, then Mutrakrachram, dysuria, Pravahika, dysentery, Kadi Ura Prishta Dhaurbalya, weakness of waist, thighs, back. Anaham Vankshana Asrayam, abdominal distension localized in the groin, Pichasravam Kude, slimy discharge from rectum, Shobam swelling, Vadavarcho Vinigraham, obstruction of flatus and feces, and frequent elimination of feces. Thus Sreshtam Anuvasanam, and this is Sreshtam for Anuvasana Vasti. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe for more updates. Thank you.